Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into a Gothic clay styles with AI. So first just open your Gemini AI like this, and after that just tap on this plus icon and then just tap on create images. And then in here just choose these styles, the Gothic clay, this one. And then next just upload your image, upload files like this, and then just upload your images. And then next just type this prompt, change the styles of the second photo to match the style of the first photo, like this. And then after that just simply tap submit. And okay, like this you can see it, you can get this incredible results. It's really like a gothic clay like this. I think it's so cute. And okay, that's it. Maybe next you can just try it yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.